I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we're going to be cooking cedar plank salmon with mango pineapple salsa. First thing we're going to do, we need to get this salsa made. We're going to chop up some mangoes, dice up some pineapple, then we're going to finely dice some red onion. We're going to add a little bit of jalapeno. You can add a little bit more if you want some spice. I like spice. Then we're going to juice one lime. We're going to finely chop some cilantro. After all that, we're going to add a little bit of seasoned rice wine vinegar and a dash of salt. Stir it up, and once we get this all combined, we want to put it in the fridge for at least a half hour. An hour would be better. We're going to start on the salmon. I don't like the skin on cedar plank salmon because you can't get it crispy, so we're going to skin the salmon. After we get the salmon skin, we're going to cut it up into portions. Brush some bourbon on both sides. After we brush it with bourbon, we're going to add just salt and pepper. We don't want to mask the salmon flavor. We want to cook this really hot. We're going to put it on the grill at 400 degrees. We're going to let this cook for approximately 10 minutes, but you want to keep an eye on it because it depends on the size of your fillets and the thickness of your fillets. What we're going to shoot for is an internal temperature of 125. You don't want to overcook salmon. When you overcook salmon, it starts to dry out and really tastes not so great. If you cook it medium to medium rare, you're going to have an awesome piece of salmon. We're going to put some teriyaki glaze on this. You don't want to use the teriyaki sauce, the thin sauce, but you want to actually use the glaze. Take a spoonful of this pineapple mango salsa, which is fabulous, and then a few toasted sesame seeds. Add a sprig of cilantro, some lime wedges. There you go. Now that's a real good dinner right there.